McDonald's Happy Meal versus Jolly Kitty Meal Challenge.
Semaj's Fun Adventure. Hey guys, welcome back to Semaj's Fun Adventures. Today we're gonna do the kids meal. Which kids meal tastes better, McDonald's or Jollibee?
First, what do you want to start off with? The
McDonald's.
McDonald's cheeseburger?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so this is a McDonald's cheeseburger. Comes in a yellow wrapper. Okay, there you go.
The bottom looks burnt.
Oh, the bottom looks burnt. Probably over toasted it.
But
Okay,
it's okay.
take a bite.
That's good.
Tastes good? Okay. Okay, all right. Cheeseburgers.
Let me give me one big bite.
One more bite. All right.
Pickles.
Okay, pickles. Yeah, it comes with pickles. Okay, so now that Semaj tasted the cheeseburger from McDonald's, tastes good. Okay, now he's gonna compare it with the yam burger with cheese, and this is what it looks like. Here we go.
Thank you. It says Jollibee.
Right, that's the cheeseburger kids meal Jollibee.
Ooh, it looks pretty the same as McDonald's.
Right, it looks the same. Right.
Looks okay.
So that's the Jollibee cheeseburger. Do you like it?
I don't know.
What does it taste like to you?
Tastes like ham. Ham?
Take another bite. See. Yeah, it's called a yam burger with cheese. That comes with their kids meal.
I think they have like ranch.
It tastes like, I think it's mayo.
Yeah, mayo or ranch.
Okay. Drink some pineapple juice. So I know you took a drink of the. Let me open it for you. So what do you think about the drinks?
Well, this drink it looks like I am in a beach, me relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
But the hamburgers looks like.
Now, so you like McDonald's cheeseburger better?
Yeah.
And what about the drinks? Which one do you like better, or it doesn't matter? Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Apple juice.
Oh, you like the apple juice at McDonald's? Okay, so far it's a win for McDonald's drink, and so far he likes McDonald's cheeseburger better than the Jolly cheeseburger. Okay, so all right, so let's move on to French fries.
Yay!
All right.
You know how much I love French fries, guys.
Oh, you do? So McDonald's French fries.
Guys, this is not sponsored, by the way.
Unless you guys want to sponsor us, but no. There you go. This video is not sponsored. Jolly crispy fries. So which one do you like better?
It's a tie.
It's a tie. Okay, so they taste similar?
It's similar to McDonald's.
Oh, okay. Right, some apple pies from McDonald's and peach mango pie from Jollibee.
Here's what it looks like.
What does it taste like to you? Apple pie? Apples? Of course, right? Apples, apple pies. Okay, so next is the peach mango pie. Okay, here you go.
Peach mango pie.
Peach mango. A little bit crunchy, right? How is it? Pretty good? Okay, so now that you tasted both of it, which one do you like better, Semaj?
Same thing with the fries. A tie.
It's a pie? So you like mango pie just as you like the apple pie from McDonald's? see which Semaj likes better. McDonald's Happy Meal toys. And I guess this one is the Raya, the Last Dragon. Okay. And for the Jollibee Kiddie Meal.
I know this movie.
Really?
I see on the commercials and ads.
They have the Jolly Speed Racers. Okay, Semaj.
This is it for this video. If you like Jollibee, make sure you hit that like button. Or if you like McDonald's, make sure you hit that subscribe. I will see you guys in the next fun adventures. Bye!
Bye. Thank you for watching.